Hey guys, what's up everybody? Today I just kind of thought I'd show you a little bit about what camera gear I've been using to film my riding videos with, and show you an upgrade I've done for one of the cameras. I got a new camera. It's from RageCams, and it's only available on eBay, and it's in this little box right here. I haven't even opened it. I just got it today, so, and as I'm doing this, you guys are also going to see how this camera sounds and what its potential is. My cameras, my first one that I've ever used was a Ion Air Pro. And this one's the light Wi-Fi. It's actually the Ion Air Pro 1, as it was the original model, but the original model was the L1011, I believe, something like that. And this one doesn't have the mic plug on it, though, like the Air Pro 3 does, which, when I got this one, I was kind of thinking maybe I can use like another audio source with it so I can clean up my audio better. And I think the Air Pro 3 was out when I got this one, though at the time I wasn't really sure what I was doing. And now that I've kind of digging into this stuff, I'm getting a little bit better at it. But anyway, this one doesn't have a microphone plug on it, and the mic that I was using was this guy right here. And as you can see, it's kind of bulky. There's wire with it, and it's got this little clip right here, and it's got a switch down here. And the thing about this switch, though, is you gotta watch it, because there's actually a battery in here that powers it, so you can use it with other cameras that don't supply power to the microphone here. And this microphone, I've actually lost all the windscreens on it. You know, running it in and out of my shirt, and even while riding, the screens tend to fly off. So, and putting this thing on the bike is just, you know, not the best. So that's where this thing came into play. And if you stay tuned, I'm going to set the camera up on the table here, and we'll unwrap this thing. Oh, yeah, and here's the other camera I'm using now. This is the Ion Air Pro 3, which this microphone I'll be able to use with this camera. So we'll go ahead and flip the camera around, and we'll go ahead and unwrap this baby. Alrighty, so I've flipped the camera around, and here's the box. So I get my, actually I think I can just go ahead and tear this thing open with my hands. Yeah, there we go. We got this thing wrapped up nicely, and there we go. Hey, I got the bag open. And here we go. Put that off to the side. And here it is. It's all wrapped up pretty good. You know what? I'll be right back. I'm going to grab my knife. Alright, got my knife here. Hey, here we go, got it. That back there. So here we go. There we go, we got her zoomed in all the way. So here it is. Hold out nice and gently. And they even included some black rubber bands to keep the windscreen on. So here's the mic. This thing is nice, dude. The overall construction on it feels really well. It doesn't feel cheap at all, like some of the other mics I've had, and like that other one I showed you. I think that other mic was like $10, something like that on Amazon. This one was like $35 on eBay, but you can make them an offer, and I made them an offer, and they accepted it, and I told them I'd film a review, so they honored the offer for that. But if you go on there on eBay, I'll put the link in the description, so you guys can see this mic for yourself and shoot them an offer. And you know, it depends on how much, of course, you offer them. But anyway, let me get my camera here. Okay, so I have my camera right here, and this is the Air Pro 3. So basically, all you do is just plug this thing in here, and this is on headband, and it just sits there like that. So when you're riding, you know, you just move this around, and it just sits on there just like that. So there you go. But yeah, pretty straightforward. So, and I am going to test this out on one of my bikes, probably my trike, and which that one I was using a lapel mic with, and with that, it was, before I had that, I was getting a lot of wind noise with this, just using the onboard microphone, and this hopefully will clean up some of that wind noise. So anyway, let's take this, let's go out to the bike and see how it sounds. Low for a little bit, and then I'll pick the speed up, so you can kind of see how the wind noise is. The sun is bright, man. Oh, here we go. Gonna go a little bit faster. Alrighty, now we're topped out. Go around the block here. on here, so maybe a block or two. We're good. Alrighty. Full speed. Turn in here. Yeah, this storm we had, I was out of power for a little more than 2 days. And I had a big old tree in the backyard. I lost a bunch of limbs off of that. Hey. Alrighty. Time to take this thing in and see how she sounds. Hey guys, we're back, and I just did the EQ. I added some multi-band compression as well as a high-pass filter to eliminate some of the wind noise. Although, as you heard, I couldn't completely eliminate the wind noise as I was cruising right along. That's probably because of the windscreen on here. Probably going to get another one to put on here, like a dead cat or something like that, and just need to improve on some of that. So anyway, the overall sound on this, I did like it, and it was easy to EQ. And I just went into Adobe Premiere and set the vocal enhancer up, and then balance those out, as needed. And so yeah, I will be using this microphone on future videos, as it picked up my voice just fine, as it hang lower instead of using the onboard microphone on here, and which that really did help out a lot. But the only thing I would say is to improve the windscreen if vloggers are going to be using this microphone. If you're on motorcycles or bicycles, something to keep in mind when you're using this microphone is going to be the wind noise. So with that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll be back with more stuff later. And if you like what you see, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks again for watching.